You wouldn't believe the excuses people make after clicking a phishing link. The dog made me do this. I thought it was a test. These are my all-time favorites. Welcome to Cyber Unscripted. Let's go.
Cyber Unscripted.
Number 5. One of my favorites. I didn't click it. My dog jumped on the keyboard. Well, a cat, I could almost understand. They walk on the keyboards. But dogs? Come on. But dog? How is that physically possible? The logistics alone. Either this dog has an exceptional keyboard skills, or the dog is not real. It's amazing what we will say to avoid admitting a simple mistake. Number 4. This one is special. I knew it was a test. That's why I clicked it. So they click the phishing email to test where the phishing test was working. Interesting. I also heard I wanted to verify it before reporting it, which apparently involves clicking the suspicious link to confirm that it is suspicious. Honestly, I kind of admire the confidence. Completely wrong, but impressive. Number 3. QR code was printed on the poster in the office offering free pizza. Free pizza? Scan here. That was the whole setup. And people scanned it because it was physical. All it took was a printer and some tape. And honestly, I get the logic. If it exists in the real world, it feels safe. Right? Well, the irony is that even at cybersecurity conferences, the speaker on stage saying, never scan unknown QR codes. And a few slides later, please scan this QR code to give me a feedback. We are all doomed. Number 2. Someone clicks the phishing link, which leads you to "You failed the phishing test" page, and then forward this email to the colleague with the subject line "WTF is this?" Then that person clicks and forward it again, and again, and again, and again. Like a chain letter, forward this 10 times for a good luck. Pretty soon, multiple people are reporting and asking, what the hell is this? They want to know, and honestly, I want to know it too. Not what it was, but why we kept forwarding an email that clearly leads you to the failed page. Amazing. Number 1. The email with the subject line "Important bonus informations." And we made it obvious. Instead of a hacked page, the link went to Rick Astley Never Gonna Give You Up YouTube video. And we watched it happen real time. 1 click, 2 clicks, 7 clicks, all directed to the same video. And then the call came in. I cannot access my bonus. It just keep redirecting me to the Rick Astley page. Well, maybe we are all a little bit of Rick Astley fans, right? But beyond the laughs, there is a serious question, especially when a real phishing attack could mean a disaster. Why do people say these things? In my experience, it boils down to fear. This fear sparks creative excuses. My use of phishing exercise is always twofold, not just to test security, but to test culture. A lot of excuses mean broken culture where people don't feel safe reporting. That's your time to act and make reporting normal. Start with open conversations and quick training. Praise those who report, even false alarms. When people feel safe, they report faster. And that's the true path to a better security. Now I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on building trust, or drop your best phishing excuses in the comments below. Stay curious, stay secure, and never stop questioning those "dog ate my homework" excuses. Cyber Unscripted. See you next time.
Cyber Unscripted.